Thanks to the advent of the internet and the personal computer, tax time may be far easier this year than ever before. For many people, it's now possible to both file and pay their taxes at the touch of a button. And for those with a busy schedule, that can make all the difference in the world.
April of each year is tax time, and while no one's forward to that particular deadline, it's our job to take care of both our paperwork and our payments. And now, thanks to a new program within the IRS, tax time may be a little less stressful for millions of Americans.
By the year 2007, the Internal Revenue Service hopes to have 80% of all tax returns filed electronically. And although it's an ambitious goal, it's also one they're well on their way toward accomplishing.
In keeping with their commitment to new technology, the IRS has revamped not only the way people file their taxes, but also the way they pay them. Currently, taxpayers who file Form 1040 electronically can also make their balance payments by direct debit from a bank account. All banks that use electronic fund transfer technology handle this type of payment. There are, in fact, a number of reasons to use a direct debit payment. First and foremost, it's free, but it's also convenient. Taxpayer can file electronically early and at the same time schedule an electronic payment withdrawal on a future date up to April 16th. By law, no other withdrawals can legally be made using this information. And like all other tax information, bank account data is carefully guarded and protected by the IRS.
Payment scheduling is when a taxpayer files the return electronically, has a balance due. They want to go ahead and file the return, say in January, and they authorize IRS to debit their bank account for the amount of the balance due. They ask us not to take the money out of the account until April 15th, which is the day the money is actually due to IRS.
According to the IRS, banking and payment information will not be disclosed for any reason whatsoever. It's also possible to pay your taxes with a credit card over the phone or over the internet. When paying by phone, a recorded message will lead you through the necessary steps. And when paying over the internet, it's just a matter of providing the required information in much the same way that so many of us now pay for books, CDs, and other items online.